Alright, welcome. Today we're going to do a little conversion. We're going to customize these tail lights from OEM to Chrome Custom. Here's some tools you'll need to make your life a lot easier when you do this install. These are just, your little door panel tools. Keeps you from scratching your paint as you're removing the light covers. An X-Acto knife, the hex tool, and just a simple small flat head screwdriver. If you have those items, you got it made. First step, just open your hatch so you can gain access to the screws on the sides. You'll need a T30 hex. You have a top screw right here. Down here you have another T30 hex screw. Alright, you want to take those out. Okay, those hex screws you just took out, not only do they hold the brush guards, but they are also what hold the lights in and the light covers. But you don't just pull the covers straight out. What you want to do is make sure it's loose and ready to come out, and you're going to push toward the inside. Push toward the inside to make it come out properly, and it slips right out. Okay, don't forget on these, don't just pull them straight out. Just when you get your screws loose and everything, and make sure there's no glue or big gaskets or anything holding it in place. And you're going to push it toward the inside like this. Okay, just do the same procedure on both sides. And if you have these brush guards, some of you may not have the brush guards on there, but once you remove those hex screws, they just pop right off. Be sure you pull that little clip off right there so you don't damage your wiring, and duplicate that on the passenger side also. On your bulb removal harness, just go ahead and do that 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and that's going to come right out for you. Don't forget, if you have brush guards, when you reinstall, go ahead and reinstall your brush guards along with the light cover. Just in case you're unsure on your wiring, when you're putting them back together, your bottom light is going to have this number on it. It's going to be numbered. Okay, your center position is going to be the shortest wire, and then your top one, it's going to be the longest wire up here. But just start out on the bottom knowing that this is going to be marked by number. Your shortest wire to the middle, and then the top. You only have one left, that would be the top. Just as a reminder, you might also want to clean this area while you have it open. So here's the final results. We took it from the OEM lights to the custom lights. Ready to go. Simple installation. Hope this helped you out a little bit and give you the confidence to do it yourself. And we'll see you next time.